In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a clickable button to your Squarespace website, making it easier for visitors to navigate to a form or a specific page. Whether you want to boost engagement or streamline the user experience, this simple tutorial will walk you through each step, ensuring you can set this up quickly and efficiently. First off, you'll want to begin by logging into your Squarespace account. Once you've successfully signed in, open your site. Navigate to the specific page where you intend to place the button. This could be your home page, a landing page, or any other page that makes sense for your particular goal. To start editing that page, locate and click on the Edit button. This action will allow you to make changes to the layout and content of the page. With the page in edit mode, the next thing you want to do is identify an insert point. These points are indicated by a small plus sign that appears when you hover over different sections of the page. Click on one of these plus signs to reveal a menu of elements you can add. From this menu, choose to add a button. This will place a default button onto your page, which we will customize further. Now it's time to give your button a purpose by renaming it. Click on the button text and change it to something that clearly indicates its function. For instance, you might label it as Sign Up if you're leading users to a registration form, or Contact Us if it's directing to a contact form. This simple act of renaming helps guide your site's visitors and enhances the overall usability. Next, you'll need to configure what happens when someone clicks your button. In the button settings, look for the section marked Click-Through URL. Here you have a few choices depending on where your form is located or where you'd like visitors to go. If the form is on the same page as the button, you can select Content and then choose Form. This allows the button to link directly to a form on that page. Alternatively, if your form is located on a different page within your site, opt for Page. You'll then pick the corresponding page from the list provided. Lastly, if the form is hosted externally, perhaps on another platform like Google Forms or Typeform, choose External URL. Simply paste the link to your form into the field provided, ensuring that your visitors are directed to the right place. Once you've made all these adjustments, don't forget the crucial step of saving your changes. This ensures that your button is live and functional. With everything in place, whenever someone clicks your button, they'll be taken directly to the form or page you've designated. And there you have it, a functional, clickable button that enhances navigation and interaction on your Squarespace site. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful.